Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to add a contact form in Elementor for free, because here on Elementor the contact form is not free. You need to use Pro version. So first of all, what you want to do is go ahead to your plugins on WordPress, click right there and write down contact form. And let's try to find this plugin which we need. And it's this one. We want to install it with these free lines and activate it, just like so. Now here's those Fluent forms. So now just click on Fluent forms right there, and let's see what kind of forms we have. You can add a new form right there, and let's choose a template. And for example, we want to put something like so. Let's create one. Now you will be able to edit these. So for example, we don't need this department, and maybe we don't need this one. Now we're just gonna submit, change this form. You can change the button size and many other things. Now we're gonna save this form. And from there, we're gonna go back here to Elementor and refresh the page. And now you want to go ahead and search for Fluent forms and add them. So for example, let's add it here. Now you need to select one. So for example, I'm just gonna choose this one. I believe I have created this one. And now it's gonna be inserted here. And that's basically it. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to this channel, and I will see you next time. Bye.